Hey, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a couple of trades. I'm going to look at two potentials, the audjpy and the audnzd. So right now we're looking at the audnzd. What we can see with the audnzd is that right now, currently, he's in a monthly resistance area, right? So now it's in the resistance area. So I'm going to be looking to take a sell. So I'm waiting for my confirmation before I enter. It's because, as you can see, it's looking to make a daily divergence, right? So once it does the complete the daily divergence, that should be a good pair to consider entering. So it may go up a little bit and then drop. So between those two prices, between 76.018 and between 76.994, or a little bit above, it should be a good area to consider taking a sell, right? Especially if it completes a double daily divergence, because it did the first divergence. It seems to be looking to make another divergence. So once that divergence is completed, it should drop. So even at the H4 level, it's looking to complete a daily H4 divergence. So once those divergences done and there's a signal to enter the trade, then you enter as a sell. Now we're going to look at the audnzd. The audnzd is pretty interesting also. Okay, I'm going to look at the weekly. Right now, it seems to have entered a weekly resistance area. So right now it's entering a weekly resistance area. So let's see if we see any divergence. It seems to be wanting to do a daily divergence. We have a H4 divergence. We have a H1 divergence, right? So because it's in the resistance area, and it does complete, it did divergences, we should be patient enough to wait for an indication to enter as for a sell. So I'm looking at to take those two pairs as sales. The audjpy and the audnzd are two potential sales, right? So I'm waiting for confirmation because it's in the resistance area, and then I should be expecting a drop, right? So it's going to go down. So yes, that's my analysis for the audnzd and the audjpy. Thank you.